planning on live streaming or recording this?
I would say he is.
Does he have permission for an evidentiary hearing?
You got the,
I know he does for pre-trials, but evidentiary hearing, I didn't see anything for that she's ordered on that yet.
you got a form approved for today's hearing?
To film?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I want it.
Yeah.
It's on my phone. I'm recording.
Can you like
the
email
clerk
it to
will
me
have
or
it.
something? She'll have it.
Yes, I'll have it.
Do you have the approved TF 945 form for today's proceeding?
I don't know what that is.
Okay.
It's the permissions to film.
That doesn't go through me, so no, I don't have it.
It's on file, so.
Yeah. Apparently it's on file. But he's got it on his phone and Jews want to jam it up, so if you want, we can just address it with the court before we start.
Sounds good.
All rise.
Thank you, be seated.
Superior Court resumes session. The Honorable Christina Rankin presiding. We're on record.
Good, still morning. Morning, we are on record in 3 PA-24-00350CR. Present in person. We have Ms. Markson from the District Attorney's Office, and we have Sergeant Long. Good morning. And we have Mr. Musa representing Mr. Lawler, who is also here. Now it's time scheduled for an evidentiary hearing on Mr. Lawler's motion to dismiss and motion to suppress. Ms. Markson, you ready to go forward with that?
Yes, Judge, and I think there was something that we needed to bring up pre-trial regarding recording. Has Your Honor decided whether this can be live streamed and also recorded?
I think I issued a prior order for
For
one
pre-trial
party.
conferences, I didn't know about an evidentiary hearing where we have witness testimony, especially with one witness being reluctant to have her face and name and picture all over the internet.
Okay, hold on. Let me see what if I can pull up the orders. Sorry, I don't deal with online files frequently enough that I do it super quickly, so my apologies. Did you have the orders the court has issued?
My understanding was that Your Honor had only addressed it regarding pre-trial conferences, whether that could be
Do you
recorded.
have it?
I don't, but it says all. All hearings, motions, pre-trials. It's on court, it's on true filing.
I'm trying to find where I issued that order.
So I guess the state is just requesting that you would make a ruling regarding an evidentiary hearing, since that's a little different from a pre-trial conference with witness testimony.
All right, Mr. Musa, do you have a response?
Your Honor, my client is informing me that there has been a ruling on this and that Your Honor's approved it, that it's on true file. So I'm just logging in and looking it up to see if this matter's already been ruled upon.
So I signed, oh, this is not a signed one. Mr. Metzger submitted an application for photographing pretrial hearing. That's what is indicated in the one I've just found. I'm trying to see others. This is not, would not qualify as a pretrial. No. Do you know how to search this thing? I'm just going through the documents. That's the most recent. Yeah. Do you have a signed one, Mr. Musa?
I do not, Your Honor.
Anything else? I'm trying to find.
I'll blow it over this.
It says all.
Yeah, I don't work
All
with
hearings, all, everything.
It says, go get it on your phone if you got it. I know it's too
on
disruptive.
based on a regular basis, so I'm trying to.
Your Honor, he's got it on his phone. He's just going to go pull it up.
Okay. case is not short for documents, which is why I Do you have Mr. Lawley, do you remember the date?
It wasn't that long, it was when, Rob was nice. So, 2 hearings ago.
Found a request that was made back in July of 2024, where the request was made to cover all trials, motion for appellate arguments, oral arguments, evidentiary hearings, and other hearings. And I know that's all. I don't see any opposition filed to that by the district attorney's office. This is not the order, I just found the request. I think I wrote something to modify the order, but I don't. Well, if I modified.
Yeah, I shut down all, I think, on there.
Your Honor, would it be okay for me to interject?
Sure.
For the record, I'm Mary Burnell, the Deputy Administrative Director. I'm just here with our employee who's been subpoenaed for this hearing. And given that she was not involved in this case at that time, she's just hoping to be able to make an objection and a request for a modification as to her image personally being videoed and live streamed.
Here's this, just a pretrial hearing. Mr. Decided position on the request to not include the image of the witness.
Your Honor, can we record with the order that we edit her out later so that the name, her image, or likeness, none of that is referenced before it shows up actually?
So the problem is I have no control over the non-party who is recording. So I would have to tell him to stop recording because I have no control over him. And it would be, I could limit it to you only recording the audio of that witness. Sorry, any objection to that?
No.
All right, so while the witness is testifying, all non-parties will stop recording and all the way forward audio. Do you understand that, Mr. Lawler?
During her testimony?
During her testimony.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Metzger, that's you, correct?
Yeah.
That address the issues you want to bring up, Ms. Markson?
I believe so. It's just typically if there is a request for an evidentiary hearing, it needs to be specific language that's the exact time and date and location and describe what will be covered with these forms. And I didn't see one for an evidentiary hearing. And given that evidentiary hearings are different than pretrial conferences, that was the state's concerns about witness testimony being recorded.
Okay, well, Mr. Metzger asked to record only in the courtroom, all dates and times for the hearing, and there was no objection to that at the time, but I have made a ruling with regards to specifically to at least the one specific witness. I have not heard any motion with regards to any other witnesses. Okay, all right. Are we ready to proceed? Anything else preliminary matters to take up, Mr. Musa?
No, Your Honor.
From the state.
Okay, all right, we can proceed with hearing all evidence, and then I'll let the parties provide arguments.
Well, there you go. Do me a favor, you guys. Let me know what you think of this in the comments down below. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe. If you'd like early access to videos like this and more, the members tab is open. Donations are greatly appreciated. Like always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.